Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to cook eggs with tomatoes. A very delicious and a healthy breakfast. In this video I'll be sharing few tips and tricks to make perfect eggs. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, crack in 2 eggs. Make sure the eggs are in room temperature. This is one of the important things to be noted. Beat the eggs well with a fork or a spoon. You can also use a hand blender. Beat it well for 3 minutes until the eggs are super fluffy. Now after 3 minutes of continuous beating, the eggs are nice and fluffy. Now to this add 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1/8 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix it well. Keep this ready. Now let's start the preparation. Heat a pan and to this add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add tomato slices with equal distance. Keep the flame in low till the end. This is another tip to be noted. When the flame is in medium or high, the eggs get cooked soon and you won't end up with fluffy, creamy eggs. Now transfer the beaten eggs to the pan slowly. Let this cook undisturbed for 1 minute. After 1 minute, flip it to the other side and let this again cook for 1 minute in low flame. Now the eggs are fluffy and cooked well, so off the flame and transfer it to a serving plate. Finally, sprinkle some spring onions and serve it hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Very fluffy, creamy, soft and moist eggs are now ready. So do try this eggs with tomato recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.